In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your memories on Facebook. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is looking over to the left sidebar for memories. If you don't see it right away, that's okay. I'm just clicking see more and looking through the list until memories shows up. Once I find it, I'm clicking it, and that takes me straight into the memories page. Now that the page is open, this is where Facebook starts showing things from past years. So I'm not searching for anything manually here. I'm just letting the page load and looking at what comes up. You'll usually see old posts, photos, and highlights from previous years all gathered in one place. That's really the nice part about this section because Facebook does the sorting for you and brings everything together automatically. At this point, I'm just scrolling through the page and looking through my memories one by one. I can see different posts from past years, older photos, and little highlight sections that Facebook brings back. I'm just moving down the page naturally, stopping when I see something I want to check more closely. If you're following along, this part is really simple. Once you're on the memories page, all you really have to do is scroll and browse. Now, if I want to open something, I'm just clicking directly on that memory. So if I see an old post or photo I want to look at again, I'm clicking it and Facebook opens it up for me. That makes it easier to see the full post or image instead of just the preview on the memories page. I'm just opening whichever memory I want to check, and then once it's open, I can decide what I want to do with it. From there, Facebook gives me a few options. If I want to share the memory, I can do that. If I want to edit it, I can do that too. And if I'd rather not keep seeing that memory, I can hide it. I'm not doing anything extra outside of what's already on this page. I'm just using the options Facebook gives me once the memory is open. So I'm just moving through it again the same way on screen. I open Facebook, click memories from the left sidebar, or click see more if I need to find it. Then Facebook takes me to the memories page where I can see old posts, photos, and highlights from past years. I scroll through the page to view my memories, click any memory to open it, and then I can choose to share, edit, or hide it if I want. Once you know where memories is, it's really easy to come back anytime and look through older moments on Facebook.